Love, in its purest form, is meant to be a sanctuary, a place where vulnerability is met with trust and flaws are embraced with compassion. When a relationship begins, especially one with a narcissist, it can feel like finding that sanctuary. The narcissist's affection is intoxicating, enveloping their partner in a whirlwind of admiration and promise. It's as if all the walls come down, and for a brief moment, love feels safe. But as quickly as it arrived, the dream begins to unravel, and what once seemed like a sanctuary transforms into a labyrinth of manipulation and pain. The narcissist creates an illusion, a love that feels real, but is hollow at its core. It is an imitation of what the Bible describes in 1 Corinthians 13:4-7. Love is patient, love is kind. It does not dishonor others, it is not self-seeking. The narcissist's love is self-seeking. It demands attention, control, and validation, but gives little in return. The partner, who entered the relationship with a sincere heart, soon finds themselves emotionally trapped, questioning their own worth. The true unraveling begins subtly, almost imperceptibly. Little by little, the narcissist shifts from affectionate to critical, from attentive to dismissive. The change is so gradual that the partner, hoping to salvage the initial magic, may blame themselves for the relationship's decline. Every disagreement is turned back on them, and every attempt to communicate is met with defensiveness, accusations, or outright denial. It feels like a dance where only one partner is following the steps, while the other leads them in circles. The Bible warns us about deceitful hearts in Jeremiah 17:9. The heart is deceitful above all things and beyond cure. Who can understand it? The partner struggles to make sense of the growing chaos, feeling the slow erosion of their self-confidence. The narcissist, skilled at manipulation, will go as far as to accuse the partner of being the narcissist, twisting reality in ways that leave them doubting their own sanity. The partner may begin to think, "Am I the problem? Am I really the one causing all this pain?" This emotional war intensifies, breaking down the partner's spirit and isolating them from their sense of self. They may become desperate to restore the love they once felt, going to great lengths to please the narcissist, hoping for just a glimpse of the affection that once seemed so genuine. But these efforts only serve to feed the narcissist's insatiable need for control, and the cycle of manipulation continues. Eventually, the weight becomes unbearable. The partner finds themselves exhausted, their heart heavy with pain and betrayal. The dream of love is now a nightmare, as the person who once promised to cherish them has turned into the source of their deepest wounds. The partner is faced with an agonizing choice: to stay and continue fighting for a love that may never be, or to walk away, accepting that the person they loved may never truly exist outside of the facade. In this moment of reckoning, the partner may try to confront the narcissist, only to be met with cold indifference or seething resentment. The narcissist may dismiss their pain entirely, labeling them as too sensitive, dramatic, or crazy. There's no accountability, no remorse, only a calculated dismissal of the partner's hurt. Psalm 55:21 captures this betrayal perfectly. His speech is smooth as butter, yet war is in his heart. His words are more soothing than oil, yet they are drawn swords. The partner feels the sting of these drawn swords, as their cries for empathy are met with a heart as cold as stone. The narcissist will often devalue the entire relationship, dismissing the shared experiences as meaningless, even mocking the partner's emotions. This cruel indifference can make the partner feel like they never mattered at all, as if everything was just a game. As the relationship comes to an end, the true face of the narcissist is revealed in how they walk away. While the partner, despite the hurt, may still hold on to some love or a desire for reconciliation, the narcissist will shut down completely. There is no warmth, no parting compassion, just a sudden absence that leaves the partner reeling in emotional freefall. The narcissist's refusal to take any responsibility is telling. They will often continue to label their former partner as toxic or crazy, refusing to acknowledge their own role in the breakdown. They may even embark on smear campaigns, spreading lies to shift the blame onto the partner, This is why it's often said that the real narcissist is the one who shows no empathy after the breakup, while the partner is left grappling with an ocean of unresolved feelings. As Ecclesiastes 7:9 says, "Do not be quickly provoked in your spirit, for anger resides in the lap of fools." Yet, the narcissist will provoke and push the partner into self-doubt, trying to make them believe that every fault lay within them. The aftermath of a relationship with a narcissist is not merely a time of sadness. It is a period of soul-searching, where the partner must rebuild their identity and find healing. It is a journey of rediscovering one's worth, detached from the lies and manipulations of the past. The wounds may run deep, but the Bible provides a promise of restoration. Isaiah 61:3 speaks of God granting a crown of beauty instead of ashes, the oil of joy instead of mourning, and a garment of praise instead of a spirit of despair. The process involves accepting that the narcissist will never apologize, never truly understand the pain they caused, and may never even acknowledge it. The partner learns that forgiveness is not about letting the narcissist off the hook. It is about freeing oneself from the bitterness that could otherwise consume them. They forgive, not for the narcissist's sake, but to reclaim their own peace. Over time, they come to see the relationship for what it was, a dark chapter, but not the end of the story. They emerge stronger, not because the pain didn't hurt, but because it didn't destroy them. The true victory lies in choosing to love again, to trust again, and to know that they are deserving of a love that is real. A love that reflects the selfless and enduring nature described in 1 Corinthians 13. The easiest way to identify the narcissist is by observing the aftermath. The real narcissist will show no empathy, will refuse compromise, and will devalue everything shared, while the person who is truly loving and sincere will still care, will grieve, and will seek to heal, even if only for closure. The narcissist's heart remains hardened, just as Pharaoh's heart was hardened in the face of God's signs. Exodus 7:3. They will never see their own fault because their pride blinds them to it. For those who have loved a narcissist, remember this: your capacity to love, to empathize, and to heal is a testament to your strength, not your weakness. The scars you bear are marks of survival, and God will use them to shape a future that is full of hope and redemption. In the words of Romans 8:28, "And we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love Him, who have been called according to His purpose." Though the road was painful, it was not in vain. There is life after the darkness, and a light that shines brighter than any shadow cast by a narcissist's manipulation.
If you like our content, please consider subscribing. Click the like button and the bell icon if you want to know when we post a new video. Stay blessed, and thank you for watching.